What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lie to Me by Gatie and Tate McRae. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll scorch your taint with a branding iron. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, and I will also place the guitar tab for this song down there as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. So the 3 chords that you need to know are very simple. The first one is this version of a C. You're just putting your index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and you're just plucking just those strings. Then slide down to the 7th fret on the A string with your index finger and the 8th fret on the B string with your pinky finger. Same thing, just plucking those 2 strings. And then you're sliding your index finger down to the 5th fret on the A and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B, and you're just plucking those 2 strings as well. So it's a C here, E minor, and D. Those are the only 3 chords you need. Now the chord progression for the song is C, E minor, D, back to C, and that just repeats. And what you're doing is you're plucking the C, and then plucking it twice and muting before going to E. Then you're doing the same thing. D, same thing. Back to C, and you just let it ring before you start it all over. So there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.